Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can easily convert image or photos of any size into passport size in Adobe Photoshop 7.0. After this video, you can create or convert any size or type of image into passport size, make 8 passport size photos on 4:6 paper size, save photos into PNG or JPEG format, take print of saved passport size photos at any time or on any paper. To start, first of all, you need to run Adobe Photoshop 7.0 on your PC Windows. When Adobe Photoshop run on your PC Windows, you need to open the image or photo which you want to change into passport size. Click File on the top menu, then click Open and select the image which you want to change into passport size picture. Here is the picture is open in the main dashboard of Adobe Photoshop. Select Crop button to crop the image and select exact part of the image which you want to retain. But before this, please set the width 1.5 inches, height 2.0 inches and resolution up to 300, as normally the passport size pictures have the same height and width size. After this, select the main part of the picture which you want to retain. Now press the enter button on your keyboard to crop the selected part of the picture. Here it is, the picture is cropped. You can now increase or decrease the brightness of your picture. That click on the image, adjust and then curve. Now you can increase or decrease the brightness of your picture. Just select the exact brightness which you want and press OK. You can also set the borders of your picture. To do that, press Ctrl+A to select the pictures, then click on Edit and then select Strokes. Set the width of your borders and colors. I have selected black color. To set the borders, press OK. Then again press OK. Here it is. You can see the borders of your picture. Now again press Ctrl+A to select the picture and then press Ctrl+T. Now you can move the picture easily and set the height and width of your picture. After setting the height and width of the picture, click on Edit button, then select Define Pattern. Give any name to the pattern. Click on OK button. Now you need to open a new file. Click on File, then click on New. Select the preset size 4:6 from the drop down menu. Width 4, height 6 and resolution 300. Click on OK button. Here is the new file will be open. To rotate the canvas, select Image, then select Rotate Canvas and select 90°. Now the canvas has been rotated to 90°. Again select Edit, then select Fill and select the pattern which you have defined previously. Here it is. The single photo is converted into 8 equal passport size photos having the same height and width. You can take the print of your file right from here, or you can also save the picture for later use. To save your file, click on Save As button. And select the format which you want to save. I have selected JPG format. Give any name to your file. Click on Save. Click on OK. Now your file has been saved for later use. You can reopen your save file into any other application and take the print on any paper and keep your pictures with you to use them where you want. So viewers, in this video you have learned how easily to convert image or photo into passport size in Adobe Photoshop 7.0. If you like this video, please click on like button and also subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in our next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.